Hey guys, it's LV Elevators here, bringing you a new video. We have two elevators, they're Otis Series 4. Anyways.
Going down.
Alright, let's go to the floor 1. Anyways, get a cab view because these are busy. These are very nice elevators.
Ground floor.
I remember this never was like this.
Going up.
Anyways, Otis name tag. Door close does not work on this elevator.
Sixth floor.
I'm gonna send this down.
Going down.
Alright. Here goes that one. 1, 2, 3. Oh hey, this one has a vandal resistant one. So we have a bad storm coming our way. One. Yeah, that's also vandal. One. Probably this one's not working. Yeah, basically, that one's probably not working.
Going down.
Alright, let's go. Smells like cigarette ashes in here. Probably someone was smoking in here. Hi, going down?
Yeah.
Going down.
Which floor?
First.
Alright. I remember that was never cut off.
Ground floor.
Alright.
Going up.
Alright. Up to 6.
Sixth floor.
We're gonna go down to 1 and we're gonna get off at 5.
Going down.
Door closed does not work on these elevators anymore. Very, very nice elevators. Oh, someone's coming on. Going down?
Going down.
Which floor?
Next. The first. Yeah.
Alright. Hi, going down?
Going down.
Which floor?
All the way down.
Thank you.
Alright. Watch the indicator.
What floor were we just on?
2.
Ground floor.
It said 2.
Thank you.
Going up.
Alright, you have a good day.
Thanks, man.
You as well. We're gonna go up to 5 and we're gonna end it there.
Fifth floor. Going down.
All right, that's it. Bye.